What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Microsoft's March 2026 update changed how Smart App Control works in Windows 11. You can now turn it on or off anytime, no clean install required. In this video, I'll explain what Smart App Control actually does, where to find it, and whether you should enable it or not. Smart App Control helps block untrusted or potentially harmful apps before they even run, using Microsoft's reputation-based security system. If you download apps often or test new tools, this feature can add an extra layer of protection. And as I said before, as of 2026 update, you can turn this feature on or off anytime, no reinstall needed. Let's break it down. Let's start with what Smart App Control does. Smart App Control is a security feature in Windows 11. In simple terms, it checks whether an app is trusted before it runs. If the app has a good reputation, it opens normally. If it's unknown, unsigned, or flagged as risky, it gets blocked automatically. So instead of reacting to malware after it runs, Smart App Control stops it before it even starts. Now let's move on to where to find it. Firstly, click on the arrow up on the taskbar or system tray on your Windows 11 dashboard or desktop. You'll see the Windows security icon. Just click on it. Now go to App and Browser Control. Then you will see Smart App Control. Just click on Smart App Control settings so you can adjust it as you want. Before 2026, Smart App Control had a big limitation. Once it was turned off, you couldn't turn it back on unless you reinstalled Windows. Now, with the March 2026 preview update, you can toggle it on or off anytime, just like a normal setting. No reset, no reinstall. It is much easier than before. Now, to enable it, as I said, go to the Windows security icon on your system tray. Click on Windows Security, then go to App and Browser Control. Click Smart App Control Settings, then switch it to On, and you can turn it off the same way. It's not available for me here because I haven't made the update yet, but as you can see here, you can turn it on without the reset, as people do. Smart App Control mainly blocks apps with no reputation, unsigned software, potentially harmful or suspicious programs, and even unknown downloads from the internet. It uses Microsoft's cloud-based reputation system to decide what's safe. So, even if something isn't technically malware, if it looks risky, it may still get blocked. This feature is especially useful if you download a lot of apps, test random tools or utilities, install software from smaller developers, and even want extra protection beyond antivirus. If you mostly stick to trusted apps, you may not notice it much. I mean, you should do because it adds a strong automatic layer of protection with almost no effort. But if you rely on niche or unassigned tools, just be aware it might block them. And now we reach the end of our video. That's how Smart App Control works in 2026. Simpler, more flexible, and way easier to use after the update. Now go ahead and make the latest update and let me know in the comments below if this worked for you. And if this helped, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips. Thank you for watching, and now we'll see you on the next video.